It is a peaceful Monday night and will continue to be calm throughout the course of the rest of the evening. We take a look here at the Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker, and there's nothing showing up. And I've got this expanded to scan all the way over here into portions of Missouri and certainly into northern Illinois. And so we don't have any snow coming in right away. If you have errands to run, if you have things to do, even the first part of the day tomorrow, you'll be fine. But if we get further into the afternoon, I think you're probably going to find yourself in well, some snow and possibly some sleet or freezing precipitation. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Clouds will have moved in by that time, so it'll be mostly cloudy as we get into the first part of the day tomorrow. And then here's noon tomorrow. You can see how the snow and the sleet have moved right up across the Indiana and Illinois border. And so I think about the middle part of the day, around midday, that's when we have the possibility of this precipitation beginning, which could start as a mix of sleet and freezing rain before it changes over to all snow. Here's tomorrow night at 6 p.m. It's snowing just about everywhere, and even through the overnight hours to midnight tomorrow night, we continue the snow. And we could also have somewhat breezy conditions. Now, again, I don't think it's going to be as windy, and it's not going to be quite as brutal as it was with the storm we had the 1st of January. Still, this is a fairly significant snowstorm that's coming in. Here's Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. It'll probably still be snowing at that time. I don't expect the snow to get out of here until maybe the middle part of the afternoon on Wednesday, certainly the early evening hours. Then we'll have a chance to get the snow out of here. Here's what we're thinking as far as potential precipitation: anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of snow plus ice south down into Sullivan County and south of Sullivan and so on. Along the I-70 corridor, anywhere from 4 to 7 inches of snow, and perhaps a mix of sleet and ice to begin with. And then farther to the north, I think mostly snow we'll be dealing with, and that'll have about 7 inches of snow if possible as far as that goes. Mattoon has 14. Paris, interestingly, has 4 degrees. I think this is a false reading here. Rockville 15, Terre Haute 20, Linton 24. Here come the clouds, as you can see now, moving into Effingham. That's the first part of the system coming in. The wind shifting to the northeast. That's a sign that we have a system coming in. Once again, the precipitation potential right along the middle part of the MyFox 10 viewing area. Looks to me like we'll have anywhere from 4 to maybe 7 inches of snow, plus a little ice to begin with. Partly cloudy, a light breeze, 15 for the overnight low tonight. And then snow, sleet, and freezing rain to begin, and then snow continues throughout the course of the afternoon. All of this begins about midday, and then for tomorrow night, snow likely, perhaps a wintry mix to the south. And then the 7-day forecast, we have snow lingering into Wednesday, and then it gets cold with a daytime high on Thursday of only about 13 degrees, and then perhaps another round of snow as we get to the weekend. We'll deal with that later, but in the meantime, you can expect snow once we begin tomorrow at about midday through about the middle of the afternoon on Wednesday.